Hello students, in this video we will learn about calculation of gain ratio and new profit sharing ratio. As you all know, in case of admission of a partner, we calculate sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. So whenever it is a retirement of a partner or whether it is a death of a partner, which means when one partner is exiting from the partnership firm, जेन्ना एक पार्टनर एग्जिट जाता फ्रॉम द पार्टनरशिप फर्म, देन what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the gain ratio and we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio. So please keep this in mind, whether it is a retirement or whether it is a death, the formulas for calculating the gain ratio and new profit sharing ratio will be the same. Okay, retirement asoo kiva death asoo, it means one and the same thing, which means one partner is exiting from the business. So in such case, when you are going to calculate gain ratio and new profit sharing ratio, the formulas will be the same for the retirement and in case of death of a partner. Okay, so here itself your calculation of gain ratio and new profit sharing ratio is done for the death of a partner also. Okay, then before I proceed, okay, now one more thing that you need to keep in mind, students, when I'm going to use gain ratio, okay, in case of admission of a partner, we have seen many formulas of calculating the sacrifice ratio as well as new profit sharing ratio. But please note that in case of retirement and in case of death of a partner, the formulas are less. Okay, you just need to study 3 formulas. That is, to calculate the gain ratio, you need to study 1 and 2 formula, and to calculate new profit sharing ratio, you just have to study 1 formula. That is, new profit sharing ratio is equal to old ratio plus gain ratio. Now, before I proceed with taking the problems, okay, I want you all to understand why we calculate sacrifice ratio and why we calculate gain ratio. So as you all know, students, in case of admission of a partner, we calculate sacrifice ratio. But in case of retirement of a partner, what we calculate? We calculate gain ratio. Okay, now why we calculate sacrifice ratio in case of admission of a partner and why do we calculate gain ratio in case of retirement or even in case of death of a partner, that means when a partner is exiting from the business, why do we calculate gain ratio? So that we will study over here. Okay, so why this is important is because if your theory concepts are not clear, you will not understand what we are going to do in the problems. So for that reason, I am explaining you over here why we calculate sacrifice ratio and why we calculate gain ratio. Okay, now let's take an example of a admission of a partner. Okay, A and B are old partners and now they want to admit C in the business. A and B old partners, and now they are admitting whom? C, that is C is a new partner now. Okay, so in this case A आणि B याक आमी कितें म्हणटात? ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. ओके, आणि C याक आमी कितें म्हणटलीं? न्यू पार्टनर. अंडरस्टूड? नाव जेन्ना this is their old ratio, this is the old ratio of A and B, that is the old partner. Now after admitting C in the business, this is their new profit sharing ratio. Now can you see over here, पयली A and B याक कितलो शेअर मेळटालो? 50% A याक मेळटालो, जाल्यार उरिल्लो 50% B याक मेळटालो. बट नाव वॉट हॅपन्स? A यान थोडोसो शेअर आपलो सॅक्रिफायस केला, तसोच B यान थोडोसो आपलो शेअर सॅक्रिफायस केला आणि कोणाक दिला? C याक दिला. So for that reason here we have to calculate sacrifice ratio. कित्याक हांगा ओल्ड जे पार्टनर आसात ते आपलो शेअर सॅक्रिफायस करता आनी तातूंतल्यान सॅक्रिफायस करूनच ते आमी कोणाक दितात? न्यू पार्टनराक दिता. सो नाव इफ A and B were getting 50% of the profit, now after admitting C तांचे प्रॉफिट कितें जातलें? कमी जातलें. आतां एयाक फक्त इतलेंच मेळटलें, तसोच बीयाक सुद्दां इतलोच मेळटलो. ओके, बिकॉज this much part is given by A to C and again this much part is given by B to C. So what is happening? This is their old ratio of A and B and now this is their new ratio after admitting C in the business. So what is happening here students? A आणि B आपलो शेअर सॅक्रिफायस करता आणि कोणाक दितात? सीयाक दितात. म्हणूनच आमी हांगा कितें कॅल्कुलेट करतात? सॅक्रिफायस रेशियो आमी हांगा कॅल्कुलेट करतात. ओके, म्हणून कितें जाता? सिन्स ए एंड बी आर सॅक्रिफायझींग देआर शेअर, म्हणून न्यू पार्टनराक ते कितें हाडपाक लायतात? गुडवील हाडपाक लायतात वेन दे आर एडमिटींग द न्यू पार्टनर इन द बिजनस. ओके, नाव इन दीस केस retirement or when it is a death of a partner, let's say A, B and C, okay, are old partners. Okay, A, B and C are old partners and they were running this business. Okay, now what happens? C retired jata. C जो आसा तो retired jata from the business. So आता C बिजनसांतल्यान गेलो जाल्यार उरले कोण पार्टनर? A आणि B. सो आमी A आणि Bयाक कितें म्हणटलीं हांगा? रिमेनिंग पार्टनर. ओके, आमी हांगा कितें म्हणटलीं? A आणि Bयाक रिमेनिंग पार्टनर. सो A, B and C आर द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. आफ्टर C रिटायर्स, C जसो बिजनसांतल्यान गेलो किंवा C मेलो जाल्यार उरले कोण पार्टनर बिजनसान? A आणि B. So A and B are the remaining partners or you can say they are the continuing partner. Okay, प्रॉब्लमान तुमकां रिमेनिंग पार्टनरूय वर्ड यूज केल्लो आसतलो किंवा कंटिन्युईंग पार्टनरूय वर्ड यूज केल्लो आसूंक शकता. ओके, नाव वॉट हॅपन्स ओवर हियर? नाव लूक एट दीस केअरफुली. A, B आणि C कोण आसात? ओल्ड पार्टनर. सो दीस इज देअर ओल्ड रेशो. A, B आणि C दिस इज देअर ओल्ड रेशो. आतां कितें जाता? C रिटायर्ड जाता, C बिजनस सोडून वता. ओके, सो C बिजनस सोडून गेलो जाल्यार ताजो शेअर आमी तसोच दवरतलीं बिजनसान? ना, तो कितें जातलो? हातूंतलो थोडोसो Aक मेळटलो, तसोच हातूंतलो थोडोस Bयाक मेळटलो. सो वॉट इज हॅपनिंग हियर? A and B इज गेनिंग द शेअर ऑफ C. हांगा कितें जाता? A आणि B, पयलीं A आणि Bयाक इतलोच मेळटालो. पयला तुमी Aक कितलो मेळटालो जाल्यार Bयाक इतलोच मेळटालो, पूण जसो C रिटायर्ड जाता तांकां परत कितलो मेळटा? फूल शेअर मेळटा. अंडरस्टूड? तांकां आनीक एक्स्ट्रा शेअर मेळटा. कित्याक C गेलो आतां. सो C कितें करता? वयचे पयलीं आपलो जो शेअर आसा तो फाटल्यान जे कोण पार्टनर आसा तांकां दिवन वता. अंडरस्टूड? सो एज रिमेनिंग पार्टनर, दॅट इज A and B आर गेनिंग द शेअर ऑफ द रिटायरिंग पार्टनर. A आणि B शेअर गेन करतात ऑफ रिटायरिंग पार्टनर, म्हणूनच आमी हांगा कितें कॅल्कुलेट करतात? गेन रेशो. ओके, अंडरस्टूड नाव वाय वी कॅल्कुलेट द गेन रेशो एंड सॅक्रिफायस रेशो? इन केस ऑफ एडमिशन कितें जाता? A आणि B आपलो शेअर सॅक्रिफायस करून न्यू पार्टनराक दितात, म्हणून आमी कितें कॅल्कुलेट करतात? सॅक्रिफायस रेशो वी कॅल्कुलेट हियर फॉर A एंड B. कित्याक शेअर सॅक्रिफायस कोण करता? A आणि B करता. ओके, तशेंच इन रिटायरमेंट ऑर डेथ ऑफ अ पार्टनर A आणि Bयाक पयलीं इतलोच शेअर मेळटालो, पूण जसो C वता बिजनसांतल्यान, बिजनस सोडून वता, तेन्ना कितें जाता? A आणि Bयाक आनीक चड शेअर मेळटा. पयलीं इतलोच मेळटालो, आतां आनीक गेन जाता. दे आर गेनिंग मोर शेअर देन वॉट दे वर हॅविंग प्रिवियसली when C was also in the business. So as A and B are gaining the share, similarly we have to also calculate gain ratio for A and B. हांगा A आणि B कितलो शेअर गेन करतात हें आमकां फायंड आवट करचें पडटलें. जशें आमी सॅक्रिफायस रेशो फायंड आवट करतात, A आणि B आपलो कितलो शेअर सॅक्रिफायस करतात टू गीव टू C, तशेंच इन द गेन रेशो वॉट वी हॅव टू फायंड आवट A आणि B कितलो शेअर गेन करतात from C, that we will find out in the gain ratio. Okay, and one more thing you need to understand, in case of new profit sharing ratio, okay, A आणि B कोण आसा? In case of admission of a partner, they are the old partners. जशे ते सीयाक ॲडमिट करतात, आमी न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो कोणाक कॅल्कुलेट करतात? इन दिस केस, इन केस ऑफ ॲडमिशन ऑफ अ पार्टनर, A as well as B as well as C. That means after admitting C in the business, what is the new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C? तशेंच in case of retirement or death of a partner, okay, in case of retirement or death of a partner, A, B and C are old partners. जसो C retired जाता, once C retires or if C dies, then who are the remaining partners? A आणि B. So A आणि B कोण जाले? रिमेनिंग पार्टनर. सो वॉट वी हॅव टू फायंड आउट ओवर हियर, फाटल्यान जे कोण पार्टनर उरतात वन्स सी रिटायर्स, तांचो न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो बिजनसान कितलो आसतलो, दॅट वी वील फायंड आउट. ओके, सो वन्स दिस इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल, वी कॅन प्रोसीड नाव टू द प्रॉब्लम्स. Okay, now these are the problems on calculation of gain ratio and new profit sharing ratio. The same formulas and the same problems will come in case of retirement of a partner and in case of death of a partner. Only thing, the difference will be, in this question you will be given that a particular partner retires, but in case of a death of a partner, a particular partner dies. अशें तुमकां दिल्लें आसतलें. Whether it is retirement or whether it is death, the formulas that we are going to use for the gain ratio and new profit sharing ratio, it will be the same. Okay, so let us start with the first problem. Anil, Sunil and Kapil are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. So let us first write what is given in the problem. What is given? Anil, Sunil and Kapil are the partners, okay, and this way the profit sharing ratio. मागीर कितें दिला? Sunil retired, so that means this is their old ratio. This is the retirement problem. So Anil, Sunil and Kapil are the old partners having their profit sharing ratio as 3:2:2, having their old ratio as, this was their old ratio as, old ratio as 5:3:2. It is 5:3:2. Anything else is given in the question apart from this information? No. What they have told us is that Sunil retires. Okay, Sunil retires म्हणून आमकां सांगला. हू इज रिटायरिंग नाव इन दिस केस? सुनील जो आसा तो बिजनस एक्झिट करता. ओके, नाव if in case in the question you get only this information, only the old ratio, okay, I will just write here which partner is retiring. Sunil retires. ओके, इतलेंच आमकां दिल्लें आसा आनी आमकां कांय इन्फॉर्मेशन दिल्लें ना. सो when the question gives us only the old ratio, okay, of the old partners, आनी तुमकां सांगला that one particular partner is retiring and nothing else is given, फक्त इतलीच इन्फॉर्मेशन दिल्ली आसा तुमकां आनी कांयच दिल्लें ना, then it is very easy, students. Okay, whatever is their old ratio, okay, whatever is their old ratio, that will be, okay, wait, old ratio that is 5:3:2. Now here what you have to calculate? You have to calculate new profit sharing ratio. एकदा सुनीलान बिजनस सोडलो जाल्यार अनिलाचो आनी कपिलाचो न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो कितें आसतलो? ओके, अनिल एंड कपिल आर द remaining partner in the business. Once Sunil retires, who are the remaining partners in the business? Anil and Kapil. So तांचो न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो कितें आसतलो? वॉट यू हॅव टू डू स्टुडंट्स, यू जस्ट नीड टू ड्रॉप द शेअर ऑफ रिटायरिंग पार्टनर. फक्त कितें करपाचें, कोण रिटायर्ड जाता? सुनील रिटायर्ड जाता, सो ताजो जो शेअर आसा तो इग्नोर करपाचो. एंड वॉट एवर इज द शेअर ऑफ अनिल एंड कपिल, द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स एज पर देअर ओल्ड रेशो, तशेंच बरोवपाचें. सो अनिलाचो ओल्ड रेशो कितलो आशिल्लो? 5. सो हियर यू रायट 5. आनी कपिलाचो ओल्ड रेशो कितें आशिल्लो? 2. इग्नोर दीस 3, कित्याक 3 कोणाचो आशिल्लो? सुनिलाचो. सुनील गेलो बिजनसांतल्यान. ओके, सो दिस वील बी द ओल्ड न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो ऑफ द रिमेनिंग पार्टनर, दॅट इज अनिल एंड कपिल. सुनील जसो बिझनस सोडून गेलो, फाटल्यान जे कोण पार्टनर आसतात तांचो न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो तुमी कशी फायंड आउट करतली? इग्नोर द शेअर ऑफ द रिटायरिंग पार्टनर. ओके, ताचो जो शेअर आसा तो ड्रॉप करात, आनी अनिल आनी कपिलाचो जो ओल्ड रेशो प्रमाणे जो शेअर दिला तो तसोच बरयात. सो हाव यू कॅन रायट दिस? 5:2 means 5 plus 2, that is 5/7, 2/7. Okay, now once the new profit sharing ratio you have calculated, you don't have any other information, because this you have calculated by dropping the share of Sunil. So again, it is very easy for calculating the gain ratio in such case. Whatever is your new profit sharing ratio, तुमकां ह्या प्रॉब्लमान तुम्ही जशी कॅल्क्युलेट करतली न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो फॉर अनिल एंड कपिल, तोच तुमचो गेन रेशो जातलो. Because when the problem gives you all only this information, only the old ratio of old partners, and one partner retires, then what you have to do? You have to drop the share of a retiring partner. Okay, and you have to write अनिल जो रिमेनिंग पार्टनर आसा ताजो शेअर ओल्ड रेशो प्रमाणे कितलें आशिल्लो? 5:2. सो वॉट एवर यू आर गेटिंग फॉर न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो, द सेम वील कम फॉर द गेन रेशो. सो सेम हांगा तुमी कॉपी करपाचो. ओके, दिस इज द सिम्पलस्ट प्रॉब्लम. नाव लूक एट द नोट दॅट इज गिवन ओवर हियर. दिस इज बेस्ड, this note is pertaining to this question. Why are we doing so? Okay, if the problem states merely the old profit sharing ratio of all the partners, प्रॉब्लमान फक्त ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो दिला ऑफ ऑल द पार्टनर्स आनी कांयच दिवना, then in such case it is assumed that remaining partners share between themselves in the same ratio as before. ओके, सो इन सच केस आमी कितें अज्यूम करतात? जेन्ना आमकां फक्त ओल्ड रेशो दिल्लो आसता प्रॉब्लमान, आमी अज्यूम करतात की रिमेनिंग पार्टनर, फाटल्यानचे कोण पार्टनर उरतात, ओके, ते तांचो पयलीं जो कितें रेशो आशिल्लो त्या प्रमाणेच ते फ्युचरान सुद्दां प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो तशेंच ते शेअर करतले. सो दॅट्स वाय आय हॅव रिटन युअर 5 and 2. And that is what is explained over here. In such case, it is assumed that remaining partners share between themselves in the same ratio as before. So whatever was their old ratio, the same will be taken as their new profit sharing ratio. But the denominator will change. Hanga denominator kitlo jatalo tancho? 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10 jatalo. Pon hanga kitlo jatlo denominator? 7 जातलो, बिकॉज सुनील गेलो, सुनीलाचो आमी हांगा बरयनात. सो 5 plus 2, 7 हें बरोवपाक चुकनाकात. ओके, सो द गेन रेशो एंड न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो ऑफ द कंटिन्युईंग पार्टनर्स इज द सेम एज ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो. जितलो न्यू प्रॉफिट जितलो ओल्ड रेशो तांचो आशिल्लो तो तोच सेम रेशो उरतलो फॉर द न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशो एज वेल एज फॉर द गेन रेशो. Okay, now let us go to the problem number 2. Okay, now what is given over here? Anita, Sunita and Kalpita are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. Okay, then Sunita retires from the firm and Anita and Kalpita decided to share the future profits in the ratio of 3:2. So in this question, what is given? Okay, it is told to y'all. Okay, it is told to y'all that old ratio is given, that is Anita, Sunita and Kalpita. Anita, Sunita and Kalpita are the partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. हो तांचो ओल्ड रेशो आशिल्लो. मागीर सुनीता रिटायर्स फ्रॉम द फर्म. कोण एग्जीट जाता बिजनसांतल्यान? सुनीता retires from the firm, and Anita and Kalpita decided to share future profits in the ratio of 3:2. So Sunita retired जालें बिजनसांतल्यान. then who are the remaining partners? Anita and Kalpita. So हांगा कितें सांगलां? Anita and Kalpita decided to share the future profits. सुनीता बिजनसांतल्यान गेलें, ताजे नंतर अनिता आनी कल्पिता प्रॉफिट्स कशी शेअर करतली फ्युचरान? दॅट इज गिवन ओवर हियर, दॅट इज 3:2. सो what else they have given? New profit sharing ratio between the remaining partner, that is Anita and Kalpita. Okay, what is the new profit sharing ratio between Anita and Kalpita? That is given to us in this question, that is 3:2. Okay, so let us see now how to solve the problem when old ratio is given to us and new profit sharing ratio is given to us. So when there is a retirement of a partner, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate new profit sharing ratio and gain ratio. पूण ह्या प्रॉब्लमान न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशियो ऑलरेडी दिल्लो आसा. सो वॉट वी हॅव टू कॅल्कुलेट? गेन रेशियो. ओके, सो gain ratio is equal to, now what we have with us? We have with us old ratio and we have with us new profit sharing ratio. So out of the two formulas, which formulas we can apply? The first formula, because we have with us new profit sharing ratio as well as old ratio. So we are going to use this formula, that is new profit sharing ratio minus old ratio. Okay, just try to compare the formulas of sacrifice ratio and gain ratio. Only thing that in case of sacrifice ratio कितें जाता? old ratio minus new profit sharing ratio करतात. In case of gain ratio कितें जाता? new profit sharing ratio minus old ratio. We change it, we interchange it. Okay, but don't get confused. In case of sacrifice ratio, new profit sharing ratio minus old ratio बरोयशात. Okay, that is in case of gain ratio, but in case of sacrifice ratio the formula is old ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. It is different. You will just try to compare the formulas of gain ratio with the sacrifice ratio. Similarly, new profit sharing ratio in case of retirement and in case of admission of a partner, you will identify the difference between the formulas that is taking place. Okay, so we can use this formula here, students. What is the new profit sharing ratio? 3:2. So this we can write it as 3/5 and 2/5. Okay, so please remember that when we are calculating the gain ratio, we are calculating it for the remaining partner. Okay, who are the remaining partner? Anita and Kalpita. Anita and Kalpita kitlo share gain करतात from Sunita, that we have to find out. So you have to calculate the gain ratio for the remaining partner, that is Anita and Sunita. Okay, so what is the new profit sharing ratio of Anita? 3/5 and Kalpitalo new profit sharing ratio किती आसा? 2 upon 5. Write the minus sign in between. What is their old ratio? So this old ratio we can write it as 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10. So 5 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. ओके. सो ओल्ड रेशो कितें आसा तांचो अनिताचो 5 upon 10 and कल्पिताचो 2 upon 10. Ignore Sunita because Sunita is retiring. Okay. Sunitaचो old ratio कितें आसा 2 upon 10. So when there is a minus sign, what we have to do? We have to make the denominator equal. So here I can multiply with 2 to make it 10 for the denominator. For the numerator also I have to multiply with 2. Similarly over here. Okay. So 3 2s are 6 minus 5 upon 10. 2 2s are 4 minus 2 upon 10. 6 minus 5 1 upon 10. 4 minus 2 2 upon 10. So the gain ratio, okay, the gain ratio of Anita and Kalpita is 1. It is 1 is to 2. Ignore the denominator. Once the denominator is same, you should know what is their gain ratio. It is 1 is to 2. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. Amay, Surya, Krishna are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. Okay. Krishna retires and his share is gained by Amay and Surya as 1 upon 24 and 1 upon 8. Now in this question, okay, remaining partner जे कोण आसात ते शेअर कितलो गेन करता हें डायरेक्टली तुमकां दिवना. ओके. जशी आमकां एडमिशन ऑफ अ पार्टनराक शेअर सॅक्रिफायस्ड बाय द पार्टनर इज गिवन, शेअर सॅक्रिफायस्ड बाय ओल्ड पार्टनर इज गिवन, तशेंच तुमकां हांगा शेअर गेन्ड बाय रिमेनींग पार्टनर दिल्लें आसा. डायरेक्टली तुमकां गेन रेशियो दिल्लो ना. कितें दिलां हांगा? वॉट इज दिस? शेअर gained by remaining partners. Okay. So in such situation, how are you going to calculate? Okay. In this case, we have to calculate gain ratio also. Sorry, in this case, we have to just calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, it is not written over here. You have to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so first we will write what is given in the question. What is given in the question? Amay, Surya and Krishna were running the business in what ratio? 3 is to 2 is to 1. So this we can write it as 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So 3 upon 6, 2 upon 6 and 1 upon 6. So what is this? This is their old ratio when retiring partner was also in the business. Krishna retires. कोण retired जाता? Krishna retired जाता from the business. So Krishna retires and his share is gained by Amay and Surya as 1 upon 24 and 1 upon 8. So here what is given to us? Okay, it is given to us share. It is given to us that Krishna is retiring and his share, ताजो जो शेअर आसा तो कोणाक दिवन वता? तो अमयाक आनी सुर्याक. कसो दिता? 1 upon 24 and 1 upon 8. So in this case, student, gain ratio is directly given. This is not share gained by the remaining partner. I am extremely sorry. This is the gain ratio. हांगा gain ratio आमकां directly दिल्लो आसा. Please correct yourself. Okay. This is the gain ratio. So gain ratio आमकां already दिल्लो आसा. Who are the remaining partner? Remaining partner are Amay and Surya. Okay, Amay and Surya are the remaining partner. तांचो gain ratio कितें म्हणून दिला आमकां? अमयाचो 1/24 आणि सूर्याचो 1/8. Okay, gain ratio is directly given to us in this problem. Now when we have with us old ratio आनीक gain ratio दिल्लो आसा आमकां already प्रॉब्लमान, what you have to calculate? You have to calculate new profit sharing ratio. So न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशियो खातीर एकूच फॉर्म्युला आसा, दॅट इज दिस फॉर्म्युला, दॅट इज ओल्ड रेशियो प्लस गेन रेशियो. ओके, ओल्ड रेशियो प्लस गेन रेशियो. ओके, तांचो ओल्ड रेशियो कितलो आशिल्लो आनी आतां ते कितले गेन करतात, सो दॅट वील बी देयर न्यू प्रॉफिट शेअरिंग रेशियो. So who are the remaining partner? Amay and Surya are the remaining partners. Okay, तांचो old ratio कितें आसा? Ignore Krishna. Okay, when you are looking for the old ratio, please ignore the share of Krishna, the partner who is retiring. Amayaचो old ratio कितलो आसा? 3/6. Suryaचो old ratio कितलो आसा? 2/6. Okay, write plus as per the formula. Write gain ratio then. अमयाचो gain ratio कितलो आसा? 1/24 आणि सूर्याचो gain ratio कितलो आसा? 1/8. Okay, now when there is a plus sign in between, what we have to make? We have to make the denominator equal. So with what number if I multiply with 6, I will get 24 over here. If I multiply with 4, I will get 24. 6 4s are 24. So I have to multiply here with 4. Okay, then for this we will go later because it is not the same denominator. 4 3s are 12 plus 1/24. Okay, 12 plus 1, 13/24. Let us see for this Surya. Hanga 6 asa and hanga 8 asa. Okay, you can either multiply here with 8 or you can either multiply this side with 6. Otherwise what we can do? We can make the denominator as 24 only. We want the denominator as 24. Please note, we cannot cross multiply here with this number. We have to make the denominator equal in this case. So if I multiply here with again 4, I will get 24, and if I multiply here with 3, I will also get 24. Okay, so ह्या सायडीन 6 हांवें 4 भितर 4 मल्टिप्लाय केलो जाल्यार म्हाका 24 मेळटलो. तसोच ह्या सायडीन हांवें 8 3 मल्टिप्लाय केलो जाल्यार म्हाका 24 मेळटलो. ओके, सो नाव द डिनॉमिनेटर इज कमिंग इक्वल विथ द अदर पार्टनर्स डिनॉमिनेटर. ओके, 4 2s are 8 plus 3. So 8 plus 3, 11/24. So what is the new profit sharing ratio of Amay and Surya, the remaining partners? It is 13:11. Out of 24 parts, 13 parts will be given to Amay and 11 parts will be given to Surya. Okay, so this is the one problem how you it will come for calculation of new profit sharing ratio. As I have already told you all, there is only one formula, okay, for calculating for calculating new profit sharing ratio in case of retirement and a death of a partner, whereas here there is only one formula uh, in case of retirement and a death of a partner for calculating the new profit sharing ratio, for which the problem we have just solved, that is problem number 3. Then in case of gain ratio, okay, there are two formulas. We have used only this formula as of now. Okay, in the next video I will try to take a problem on the next formula, that is this formula. Okay, but these are the two formulas which comes most of the time, 99%, when the question is being asked on the gain ratio and new profit sharing ratio, it is this formula which is being asked and this formula. Okay, so focus more on these two formulas, and then in the next video I will try to take a problem on gain ratio wherein we can apply this formula in that problem. Okay, that's all for today, students. I hope you all have understood. Okay, if you have any difficulty, you can contact me. And one more thing, please try to compare the formulas of sacrifice ratio with the gain ratio. What is getting changed? Just try to identify, so that you should know when you are studying the formulas. You should keep in mind sacrifice ratio तुम्ही ज्या पद्धतीने शिकलात तसोच तो येवपाक जाय. तसोच gain ratio तुम्ही जो शिकला, it should come in the same manner. You cannot change the sign. ज्या जाग्यार प्लस बरयला थंय मायनस करपाक जायना. It should come as minus only. So even the signs are also important. प्लस बरयला प्लस बरयात थंय, मायनस बरयला जाल्यार मायनस बरयात. So even when you are studying the formulas, please see the signs. प्लस बरयला काय मायनस बरयला तें सारकें शिकात, काय मल्टिप्लाय बरयल्लें आसा थंय. Whether plus is written, minus is written, or multiply is written, you need to keep that in mind, because I have seen students making mistakes when they are writing the signs. So as you can see over here there is minus, here there is multiply, here there is plus. So when you are studying the formulas, use some logic when you are studying the formulas. Plus बरयता ते minus बरोवं नाकात, please. Okay, thank you, students.